Hello to everyone. My name is Juan David Vargas. I'm from Bogota, Colombia, and I'm going to show you my final project for CS50 Python. It is called Order Summary PDF Generator. What's the purpose of this program? To take that data like a CSV file, like this one, that is going to be the one of the example, or to take that data from a database. So for this project or for this program, you need CSV, SYS, and FPDF. So this is the entire program. It has three functions. The function that check the file for the arguments, the formatting data, and the PDF generator. So I'm going to run the program so you can see an example. So let's do this and CSV and the output file for example that CSV. So the program starts running and now it asks me for ID. This ID is important because if the database has more than one user, I just want one ID. So for example, I'm going to put one and that's it. The program just run and here it appears the PDF. This PDF is for the client called David, and you can see a table with the products, the quantity, and the price. That's basically the entire program. This is the entire code. This is the test file where you can see the test, the edge cases I try to for this project. And why this PDF? Because for CS50X I created a web application for a dessert entrepreneur, and the idea is to introduce this functionality to that web application. That's basically it. But also you can see, for example, the output CSV. That's basically it. Thank you very much for your attention and see you later.